Okay, so this explains the very last thing. This will get you ready for our Google form that you're going to have next class period on Wednesday that I see you. And basically you have the name and the function of each of the organelles that we've been studying. And then if you look, these 4 images are clues for one same organelle. So you're looking at the clues here, and you're going to see by definition which organelle does all of these things. So don't think that this image is one organelle, this is a different organelle, and so forth. All 4 give you clues to one organelle. So if I have a sun, it goes to like a solar panel and it transfers it into energy. It makes sugar, gives off oxygen, and we have sunlight coming into a leaf and carbon dioxide coming into a leaf and water coming into a leaf, and it gives off and makes glucose for the plant, and oxygen is released. What organelle does that? So what do you think about that? You can always scroll back up and look at your definitions, which you also have in your journal, and give you a little more think time. Your answer should be chloroplast, because it converts solar energy into usable energy. It makes glucose and releases oxygen and is found in plant cells and some algae. So now take a look at number 2. We've got a storage unit, some food in some Ziploc bags in the freezer, a water bag, and it looks like a waste trash can. Which organelle would do these particular functions for the cell? And if you go through, you should see that it is vacuole, involves storage of food, water, and toxic waste. So if you'll go through and take a little preview of this, this is going to help you to get ready for your Google form that you'll have next class. Bye.